Welcome back to day 74, the content that connects. Trust, not perfection. So welcome back to our day 74 Confidence to Cash 90-Day Sprint. Today, we're going to dive into one of the biggest secrets to building an online business that grows consistently. We're going to create the content that actually connects, not just content that fills your feed. So many people post every day, but never see their growth. They never see the engagement, and they definitely never see the sales because they're posting to get something, not to actually connect with someone. So the truth is, content is not about perfection. Content is not about going viral. Content is about building trust with the exact people that you're called to serve. Your content comes from a place of service, of alignment, and genuine care for your audience. It will always hit differently. The digital space rewards creators who are real. People want to learn from someone that they feel connected to, not someone who looks perfect or scripted. So today, I want you to shift your mindset from what should I post to what does my person need to hear from me today? When you think that way, your content becomes the bridge that pulls people closer instead of pushing them away. Here's a simple assignment for today. I want you to think about one struggle your perfect person is facing right now. Maybe it's overwhelmed. Maybe it's fear. Maybe it's confusion. Maybe it's wanting their time back. Maybe they're just broke and they don't know how to get out of that way. They just need money. Or maybe they're feeling behind, that they don't have everything put in place. I want you to create a video, 20 to 45 seconds, speaking directly to that struggle. It's like you're talking to a friend you love. And third, end with one simple encouragement or the next step. You do not need fancy editing. You don't need trending audio. You just need heart and you need clarity. The one shift will completely change the way people respond to you. So think about this. You don't have to be the loudest voice to make an impact. You just have to be the one who speaks with honesty, with kindness, and with confidence. Your story, your experience, and your heart are enough. They're more than enough, friend. That will change someone else's life today. So here's your challenge. Drop in the comments one struggle that your perfect audience faces, and we'll build that content idea from it together. Make sure that you grab today's worksheet. It walks you through how to create the content that connects deeply and consistently. Subscribe so you don't miss day 75. We're going to talk about mastering the momentum even when life gets hectic. You don't want to miss this one, friends. See you tomorrow.